which is head of organization, to make a short update about the field and the meeting and the crowd and everything regarding tomorrow's meeting. So first, about the field, do you have some news, some new athletes, some athletes who are missing? What's the update today?
No, we are quite lucky after Lausanne that nobody got injured or nobody got too tired. We were a little bit worried yesterday night, but like Bartoletta, or who was not so good yesterday, and nobody seems injured. So everybody checked in the hotel. So far, same field as yesterday, and same. I think good meeting, because when you look at all the events for the time of the year, after Rio, pretty happy with what we have.
So usually the French meeting is early July, so this time is at the end of August. So what's the difference?
Well, it's a huge difference. It's a huge difference compared to previous years, because we've always been beginning of July, before big major championships. So it was a little bit unclear for the spectator that what's going on with the meet. So we had to do a lot of communication, and probably we will miss some spectators because of the date. But at the same time, we can celebrate our medals from Rio. So it's also something we never had, and it's quite good to think that the spectators will be able to see in Rio what they saw a week ago on their TV in Rio. And I think it's another way to look at a meet and to enjoy the show.
So in terms of spectators, what are the numbers at the moment?
We are looking for maybe a little bit more than 30,000 spectators. So still good compared to the time of the year. People are coming back from holiday. Next week it's back to school. We knew it will be complicated to fill the stadium, but at the end we are quite happy with the numbers.
So the French meeting had some bad years regarding the weather. So tomorrow is going to be a perfect day for athletics.
Yeah, that's one of the things we don't have to worry this year is the weather forecast. It's beautiful. It's perfect weather. A little bit, even a bit too hot, but for 3,000 steeplechase or 3,000, but 1,500, it's fine. So for everybody, and especially for the spectators, to enjoy a nice summer evening, it's something that we never had. So at least is that the good part of being so late in the season.
So do we have questions? Yes.
L'athlète Dion, que ça sera plutôt à Zurich, qu'en est-il exactement?
In English or in so you never know with this athlete. She doesn't know what kind of shape she's in. She thinks she's in good shape, but she doesn't know really if she's in a world record shape. So they've asked for a slower pace. But she can, we'll see tomorrow. Sometimes you're surprised, and that's for sure. We are not going on the pace of the world record pace at the beginning. That's for sure. The pace is 3:04, 3:02, 3:01. So 3:01, 9:03. But for her, 4 seconds to gain in the last lap, in the last kilometers, you never know.
There is one or two pacemakers?
Two.
No more questions? Yeah.
C'est la dernière au Stade de France. Est-ce que c'est, pour l'instant, est-ce que c'est forcément un peu particulier pour vous?
En fait, in English again, or I don't know.
Okay, no French.
En français. En fait, on le vit pas comme ça, comme une dernière ou comme une. Pour moi, le meeting, c'est le meeting. C'est ce qui se passe autour d'une piste de 400 mètres avec les perchistes. Et après, qu'on le déplace d'un stade à un autre, on verra. Encore une fois, on n'a encore pas complètement pris la décision. Ça dépendra de plusieurs facteurs. Mais voilà, je le vis. Enfin, c'est pas une dernière. Pour moi, je n'y pense même pas que c'est une dernière ou pas une dernière. C'est juste le meeting, il continue et il va continuer dans un autre stade peut-être ou pas. Mais ça sera toujours le meeting Diamond League avec les meilleurs athlètes du monde. Donc, on essaie de les faire venir. Donc, après, est-ce que ce meeting il ait lieu dans un endroit où on peut y mettre plein de spectateurs ou un peu moins. Voilà, c'est juste cette jauge de spectateurs. Moi, c'est juste ça qui me concerne parce que aujourd'hui, le prestige du Stade de France, comme je l'entends tout le temps, il est plus là. Enfin, il a peut-être été là dans les années 2000 quand tous les gens voulaient visiter le stade, voir ce que c'était. Aujourd'hui, ça a moins son impact. Je pense que si on fait sur les 30 000 spectateurs, si on leur demande s'ils sont venus parce que c'était au Stade de France ou si c'était, ils vont plutôt vous répondre. Ils sont venus parce qu'il y a Kevin Mayer, Maïdine Mekissi, Vico, Le Maître et La Villeni. Et que je les mette à Charletti, au Stade de France ou à Marseille, les gens, voilà, je pense que les gens se déplacent. C'est plus une question de jauge et de à combien de personnes on ouvre le spectacle. Et si on en a les moyens.
Plus de questions? Bon, ben merci Laurent.
Merci.
À demain.